chibai ule Iran IRGC Intelligence Chief Major General Majid Khademi tha ani Iranian state media in a report danin US Israel airstrike IRGC Major General Majid Khademi chu April niruk nimin khan athi ti apuang Majid Khademi hi Iran Intelligence Organization na hotupa berni in Ali Larijani Iran Security Chief thi nuwa Iran ramhruai tu mel makuta thimha saber ani January sanghi somni paruka Iran rama Islamic Sarkar lakalung oi lona protest kha tharum manga beng dai tu ni in khathilawang khan Israel target alauni to ani US Central Command chuan nimin khan thucho an siama Iranian target singkhat sangthum an kap to a Iran longja somnga panga chu ti chiat emo kapil annito ati tunin dona kalmeka US Army chuan aircraft chirang sang somni paruk an manga khomwala da chi missile system pali tuipui chunga bun chi missile system paruk anda boka tin atum khatnan U2 Dragon Lady high altitude reconnaissance aircraft le EA-37B Compass Call electronic warfare aircraft te mantel ani air defense system lam hi Patriot third M142 HIMARS rocket system le drone te an manga drones a hian low cost and screw combat attack system Lucas le Shahid 136 drones copy an mangani Ral thuam zinga hian nuclear power aircraft carrier submarines F-35 steel fighters le B-52 bombers te atelani April nisari zandar sari Dariat vel thenga Strait of Hormuz hon ani lo chuan Donald Trump chuan Iran in chiat na rap thlak ber anga chondo na ti a Iran official tela chuan tlom an tum hmel lova ain rosak anga Trump a cheani chuan indo pui pathumna a hnai to hmel viawani Trump chuan in ka hairot na ceasefire proposal US in adwan chu palai tekal tlangin Iran in amhutoa alom omrualin Iranin alodon sondan athatok lo ati Iran lam chuan tama vauna te hi in bum na mai ani a US in Middle East azat lozia alang anti Madi Mohammadi advisor to Parliament Speaker Galibaf chuan Donald Trump avaulet lingzoka Iran hi atlom ngai lovang Washington zok hi ain thiar filhim thwai lo chuan atho puiramte manlai khovel Stone Esa kanthon don ati April nirung nimina US Israel airstrike wangin Irana mi som thumpali anthi Palestine lam Israel airstrike mi som ai tlemlo anthi vebok Iran ambassador to Pakistan Reza Amiri Mogadam chuan remna boruak siam tuma Pakistan malak na chuan hun khirber tum atong mek ati a Iran hian athlop thadon lo ni inangai thei Iran war kalmeka Iran hian Kim Jong Un puina adong to nianga yan tama ma se Seoul National Intelligence Service NIS ero chuan North Korea in Iran engma apek o mantrelova rinhlel turpo an nei lo Russia le China chuan Iran thlawang chete in an hausak to a Kim Jong Un hian ali khamanei sunna thu aziak lova mostaba khamanei lompuina athon heklo South Korean lawmaker Park Sun-won chuan North Korea hian US nen in leichin na tha siam adua afim khur hle ani ati Pilot pakhat bo chan chuanan US dollar million zanga an mang thuruk inthup a omem Iran sipaiten US F-15E Strike Eagle an ka thlak thu April ni thum khan an puanga F-15E fighter jet hi US dollar million zaman ni in apam mai tak jet he thila hian pilot pakhat abozuya United States chuan pilot pakhat bozon nan A-10 Thunderbolt 2 jets MC-130J Commando 2 planes Black Hawk helicopters le MQ-9 Reaper drones te amanga rescue operation chanchuan hatho nana US sum central hi US dollar billion chanve maktedoi zanga lai atlinga ahau tak remrem hle C-130 Hercules aircraft le H-60 helicopters ten US sipaitra elite troops te Iran rama pilot omna nian riat na hmuna an phurlu ta surveillance drones chuan pilot omna signal ahmu a ache vela melma anomem ti te an zirchianga Iran sipai te bonan bom le grenade te an thlak reng boka van boruak lama MQ9 Reaper drone chuan chanchwa na thok tu te aveng reng ani Air and Space Force magazine in a report danin pilot omna kilometer thum huam chunga Iran sipai nia hriat te an oma rescue team te an fim khur hle ani ati rescue operation anzo fel chuan Lockheed Martin C130 le MC130J Commando 2 variant te chu achiang kwang tatlat lova information tam tak awma wangin thlona pani $1 million zaman ve chu an bom dar vekani tin MH6 Little Bird helicopter pani $7.5 million man ve chu anti chebok Iranian military chuan MQ9 Reaper drones million som thumatanga som rukman an kap thani an puanga heiba ka hian A10 Thunderbolt 2 million som himan po Iran sipaiten an kapa Kuwaiti airspace atlen nuwa atla ani kha heng kan soi chwa kherna chan chu pilot pakhat bozon chwa nana US sumhandal tamzia kan hriat theinana ni pilot pakhat Cornell Reng chan chwa na phena hian thirin thup aomia lem Iran lam chuan US lem chan na mai ani antia bi chian kan tumdon ani Iran Foreign Ministry spokesperson Ismail Bagay chuan nimin khan thu chwa asiama US pilot bo omna nian soi Iran chim thanglam Kogiluye le Boyer Ahmed province le US Rescue Operation Elite Troops US Navy SEALs par commando te tumna hi ain hlat hle in an soya Iran Southwestern lamdaya pilot omkha Isfahan Central Irana dai antuma rinhlel anhlo viawani US F-15E van dwaina le pilot bokha lemchanna ani kherlo thaya pilot bozonna khan Iranian uranium ruk chwa anlo tumve thaya chu Iran sarkar pu na ani Iran hian uranium thlorfim to akol nuala US ngai mo ber ani mek report then khat chuan Iran hian enriched uranium kg zali tang kg zali somnga vel akol meka nuclear warhead siam theina khop ani The Wall Street Journal in Karliam ta khan report alo siam towa Iran uranium thlorfim to chu sak turin President Donald Trump chuan ground operation nei alo ril ruk towa chuwangin pilot bozon na hi remchanga an hmangta ani thei kumsang ni som ni panga jun thla US le Israel in Iran nuclear facility anwai ma khan Iran hian uranium thami 60% thlorfim to kg zali vel akola 20% thlorfim kg zani vel akol bok nuclear warhead siamnan uranium 90% a thlorfim mangaya Iran hian ahlat talo hle ani US in Isfahan le Natanz abomawang khan Iran uranium te hi lei hnuaya building chain achin veka chutimaya rup chwa thei ani melo ni in International Atomic Energy Agency thu chwa chuan asoi